Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. So today I will be sharing how we're going to set auto mix in the T2208 digital mixer. So first of all, you need to go into system here, and there is particular one button which called auto mix here. So we need to press this auto mix, and we have all the available channels that we can assign to auto mix available for us. So we have channel 1 up to channel 1920 here. So we have to make sure auto mix is active, and then we have to select which channel that we want to put under the auto mix. So I just press one time, it will turn the channel 1 on into the auto mix features. So I just select the channels that I want to put under the auto mix features. So that is all how we're going to use auto mix here. All is automated by the algorithm. So it's that simple, very easy. So that's all, and we'll see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.